special folder that I've covered with vinyl and other decorations. You can see that what's really cool about this stuff is that it's actually mirrored. Let me get this properly light. Blacklight flashlights. LED, high powered. Now you see it. Now you don't. Let me try something. This camera has an unusual sensitivity. It's too bright. This little piece I got at a Gem and Mineral show. It's made from fiberglass, or an optical version of fiberglass. So for an infinity gem. And those are glass, which oh, never mind. Anyway, in addition, to keep my cloak on without a chain that's strangling me, I got industrial high-powered magnets, which are round, which I have stitched into the material already, which I'll replace with these because they're thinner. Very high-powered. So I have an inner shirt, which I wear, a tunic over that, and then the cloak of levitation over that. The inner shirt and the cloak of levitation have the magnets in it. These are a little bit thinner, a little bit wider. The magnets already in are almost enough to hold the cloak on. If I'm jumping around or moving quickly, it tends to shift. Ow! So I need better magnetism. So I pick these little puppies up and I'll stitch those in next. Work, work, work.